get ready for the 1212 energy portal. This will be the final energy portal of 2023. So a very exciting time coming up here as we get ready for this 1212 energy portal. This will be the last time we have a portal. When we have a portal, a lot of high energy comes in. This is also happening on the same day of a new moon. So it's really a double whammy. We get all the portal energy plus the new moon. So before, I'm going to get into this for a minute, but I am doing a free webinar on 1212, and that will also be recorded if you can't be there live. So you can go to shiftyoursoul.com. I'll put it in the info below as well, but shiftyoursoul.com. You can register for free and also get the recording of that webinar that's coming up that day. So what's happening now? We're going to bring in all this high energy. We're bringing it in on the day of a new moon. We're ready to start to focus on where we want to go as we move into the end of this year and into 2024. As we do this, obviously there may be goals that you have or things that you want to accomplish in your life. Maybe you want to change jobs or move somewhere else or work on your relationships or whatever it is that you're really looking to create in 2024. But what I want you to do is focus on the feeling you want to have going into the new year. What is the energy you want to bring with you forward? Because when you focus on the feeling, you start to generate that type of energy, and then you start to manifest and bring those types of things into your life. I always focus on peace. I always focus on love. I always focus on joy. I always focus on prosperity. I want to have that feeling, but really that peaceful feeling is so powerful, because if you're at peace, that means all other areas of your life are in order and things are going well and you feel good about it and you feel comfortable. So that's why that's a very important feeling. That's one of the things that I always look at when I'm manifesting and looking to go forward. And also, doesn't mean I don't want to accomplish things and have things that I want to do here in the physical world, but look at it as a combination of, yeah, these are things I want to do. I also want to bring this feeling into this new year of 2024. So be mindful of how you feel as we get closer to this 12/12 date. And don't forget, like I said, if you want to join me, go to shiftyoursoul.com on 12/12. I will be doing that live webinar to give you more detail and some more depth on the situation. So have a great one. And don't forget, focus on how you want to feel.